So this is the WATERFLY, and it is one of the smallest backpacks that you can get, and it comes looking exactly like this. A lot of times you need a backpack, yet you don't have room for a big one. But then you want to compact the whole thing into something small. Well, this one does everything for you. It comes in this compact pack, and we still have the tags for it, just to show you how awesome this is in case you want to give it as a gift. You can also hang it just about anywhere. Next thing about this, as you open this thing up, right inside we have the actual backpack, and that's what makes it so great, is that it can just become big, and yet it is so small and tiny. As you open this up, we have a place for it to go ahead, and you can put this right on the back with using one of the slings, or you can use two of them on one side, or of course if you want to go ahead and put this on like a backpack, you can go ahead and do so as well. But make sure you adjust the handles just a bit. I'm a bit tall, so this thing is a little bit on the tight side right out of the box itself, but you can definitely adjust it. There is adjustable nuts right here, and you can make it much bigger in case you need to as well. So the next thing about this, on the other side over here, is the rest of the backpack. And what I like a lot about this is that it's so affordable. You can throw this right in your back of your car, and you can take it out if you need to for your going shopping. And a lot of times you need a backpack, or you need a backpack just to put your kids stuff and so on. Well, this one transforms into a backpack. So it has a lot of room here. It also comes in different multiple colors as well, in case you don't like the orange one. There's the space right in here. There's a place for you to put things in, and that's the big pocket inside. There is a huge location for you to put a lot of stuff in here. It has plenty of room when it comes to that. The only thing I don't really like about the bag is probably the best part about this, is that it's compact. You can definitely make it super extremely compact and put it right back in. But one thing that it does have as a disadvantage is that it's very, very flimsy, and that's by design itself. There's nothing you can do about that. So there is two locations for you to go ahead and to put in a water bottle on one side, water bottle on the other side, with this mesh pocket over here. Now in the front we have another location for us to put things in. There's a small zipper with a small compartment to put like your keys in here. As you open up this one, Velcro, inside there is a hidden pocket, and you can put other stuff inside, which is a little bit bigger when it comes to that. Now another hidden pocket is right in the front as well. So the small pocket, you could see it. This one everybody can tell. This one you can't actually tell that there is a hidden stash pocket right here with a zipper. Opening this one up, we actually are opening this part as well, so we can zip this out. This part can be zipped out. So it's not really a hidden pocket, it's more of, although it looks like a hidden pocket, you can just zip this out, and you can take this Velcro right out of here, so it's not there anymore. So you will zip this whole thing out and put this away, so then you can have easy access right in here and to get it out. So let's be clear about that. But it like almost like as if it's a hidden pocket, because it's not. But there's a hidden place for you, which is right under here, that you can unzip the pocket inside of here. So go figure, just the way this thing is made. Now the next thing about this is that there is a place right here to hold it, and after this there's another way in here, which is not another way in here. I was wrong. Instead, if you zip this up, it will actually become a space for you to put stuff and store it inside here. So it's a storage compartment, but at the same time, this is the compartment that everything goes right inside as you're going to be closing this up and putting this away as well. So let's go ahead and do so. You're opening this up and you can see the small storage compartment, but this is the compartment also that this whole entire enterprise folds itself into. So then you put everything right back in, and now you can zip this whole thing back up into itself, and then you can put everything inside. So there we go, put everything in here, and I'm zipping this up, and you can probably do this under a minute if you're, probably like 20 seconds if you're a pro, but here we go, it went right back in. So it's very good, and I do like it. I like the ability that you can go ahead and just make it so small and then make it so big. So it's the ultimate location for you if you're going on a trip, if you're going someplace, just throw this right back in your trunk if you're in your vehicle, or you can go ahead and put this inside your suitcase where you can just grab this. And then if you're going to a trip overseas and so on, and you need like a small backpack, this one transforms itself and is such a space saver as well. So it's really great. I like the usability, I like the price, and I think you're really gonna like it as well. Lots of functions too.